Okay, so we're gonna make a third Arduino project, which is a home security system. For that, we'll go for the new project, and I will suggest you to use this website, Wokwi. This is a great simulation website. So first, we'll adjust the screen again. Now, see, yep, the Arduino is here. Now we'll add the components as we needed. First, LEDs, one more LED. Yeah, we'll change color one to the green. And now for the resistor, we'll need two resistors because we are using two LEDs, and a resistor should be around 220 ohms for both the LEDs. So we'll do that first. 220 ohms. Yeah. Okay. Now we will take another component, which is LCD 16 into 2 inch ICE. And then we will take the sensor HC. And we'll take the breadboard. After breadboard, we'll take one more component, so we have taken the buzzer. We'll set this resistance in the breadboard. See, they are horizontally set, but they are not connected like series in the series. I will place first. Before placing, we have to move LED again and again for this. So first we'll connect the negative terminal to one series connection, and after that we will connect it to GND. But first we will do this connection for the negative terminal. See, and as for the another LED, again it will be connected on the same point for the GND. So now we'll take the GND from the Arduino and we will connect it to the breadboard, but on the side of the LEDs which where we connected to that. And now we will take one horizontal connection. So now it's connected for the LEDs also. And I will bring the LEDs, and the long leg of the LED will be connected to the resistance. Both the LEDs are here. Now we'll take the GND connection of LCD and bring it to the same connection where we done the Arduino connection. See, on the breadboard. Okay, as we connected that, now we'll go for the sensor. Sensor also have the GND connection, so we will connect the same GND connection to the breadboard. Now we'll take the 5-volt connection to the breadboard, and to the 5-volt connection, like LCD and sensor, both VCC will be connected to this. So now connecting the sensor VCC to the 5-volt right over there. Now for the VCC of LCD, see, it's connected. It's getting overlapped on each other, but that's not the problem. So it's done. Now we'll take the SDA to the analog 4. and SCL to the analog 5, which will give signals to the LCDs. Yep. Now we've taken the positive terminal of the red LED to the digital pin 13 and green LED positive terminal to the 12D, which is a like digital pin 12. And I have taken the positive points means the resistance, because positive point is directly connected to the resistance, not directly to the LED. Now we will connect the buzzer. Positive terminal will go to the digital pin 8. Let's start this Arduino side. Yep. Now for the negative terminal, we will connect it to the GND. Always remember, connect the negative terminals, all the negative terminals to the GND. I want to change one error, like the sensor we were using in the before HC, that was the wrong sensor. Actually, I prefer this sensor, which is PIR sensor. Connect the VCC of PIR sensor to that. Again, to the 5 volt. I'm sorry for the HC sensor because that sensor was not working properly. So we need to use this sensor. Yep. As it is connected, now we will go for the GND. GND will be connected to the, obviously, to the common connection, common GND connections. Alright, so we'll paste this code and we'll use this code. No, that's code are not visible very clear on the screen, so code will be available in the comment section. You can check it out there. Yep. So code is ready perfectly. Now we'll run the simulation. Home security initializing. Home security system ready. Okay. So our system is working. LCD is working properly. Green LED is on, means system is working. Now as we on the PIR sensor, like someone is near to sensor, buzzer will be on. So you can see the animation nearby the buzzer, means the buzzer is on. It's creating the sound. You can't hear the sound because of some limitation of the websites. See, you can see the alert motion found as we off the PIR sensor. See, alert motion found and all. So our project is finally working properly, and you can see the red LED on. Now the sensor is off. The home security system is ready to go for again. Now see, as we on the PIR sensor again, means we give it a sense that someone is there. So the red LED is on again, and the alert you can see on the screen. Thank you for watching the video. To learn more about Arduino, take a journey with me on my channel, The Quantum Maniac. Thank you.